Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to download the Windows ADK kit, formerly known as the Windows Automated Installation Kit and now known as the Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit. And basically what this will allow you to do is to put Windows operating system to different computers or virtual hard disk images. So this is going to be a pretty quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So I'm going to have this link in the description of the video. You can just feel free to open it up. It should say Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit. You want to click on this Download Now button. Might be a little bit different the time that you watch this video, but pretty straightforward. ADK setup.exe. I'm going to left click to open it up. Do you want to run the file? I'm going to select Run. Should be a free download as well. And once it's done, you can select the path you want to install it at. So I'm going to install it on this computer. This estimated disk space required is going to be 6.7 gigabytes. So it's pretty big. I want to select Next. And then you have to accept the end user license agreement. And then you select the features you want to install on the side here. And then you just click on the install button and it'll begin installing the Windows ADK kit. So pretty straightforward, guys. And I do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial, and I look forward to catching you all in the next video. Goodbye.